Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Outlook inbox is getting flooded with random spam and junk mail, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Reporting junk in Outlook is super quick, completely safe, and helps everyone have a cleaner inbox. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to report junk emails in Outlook, step by step, so you can take control of your email and stop those spam messages for good. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and type Outlook login in the search bar. Click the official Microsoft link. That's the one starting with https://outlook.live.com. Now, sign in using your Microsoft account details. Go to your junk email folder. Once you're logged in, make sure you're under the Mail tab. Look at the left sidebar. You'll see a folder called Junk Email. Click on it to view messages that Outlook has already flagged as suspicious. Sometimes legit emails land here by mistake, so it's good to double check before reporting. Select and report the junk email. Find the email that looks suspicious or unwanted. Right-click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Report, then choose Report Junk or Report Phishing, depending on the type. This instantly sends the message to Microsoft's security team and helps train Outlook's spam filters, meaning fewer spam emails for everyone over time. Confirm and automate. After reporting, you might see a confirmation message. Just click OK to finish. If you want, you can also enable automatic reporting for similar future emails from the same sender. That way, Outlook will handle the spam for you automatically, saving you time and keeping your inbox clean. And that's it. You just learned how to report junk emails in Outlook like a pro. It literally takes less than 5 minutes, and you're helping make the entire Outlook network more secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and comment below if you've noticed a drop in spam after reporting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.